castings. They'll have a casting block that'll make 100 Matchbox cars at a time. Maybe we just make that real big.
Elon Musk just dropped a huge announcement, one that could completely change Tesla's future. A new $200 million Tesla megafactory is coming to Texas. Could this be the secret weapon behind the long-awaited 2026 Tesla Model 2, the affordable EV millions have been waiting for? But why build it in Texas? Why now? And how could this new factory revolutionize Tesla's entire way of making electric cars, slashing costs, speeding up production, and putting gas-powered vehicles on notice forever? That's exactly what we'll explore in this video. I'm Dani, and you're watching Auto Intel, where we uncover the real story behind the biggest tech moves. Make sure you hit subscribe right now to help us reach 1,000 subscribers, and tap that bell so you never miss what mainstream media won't tell you. Have you ever wondered if Tesla's secret to a $10,000 EV isn't really about a car factory at all, but a giant battery plant instead? Let's dive in. Here's the big picture. Elon Musk is going all in on a new mega factory located in Brookshire, Texas, just west of Houston. Tesla is transforming a 1,030,000 square foot warehouse into a powerhouse for energy production. This $200 million project is focused purely on energy, this time not cars. Why is that important? Because Tesla plans to crank out its grid-scale Megapack batteries at volumes nobody's ever seen before. And the timeline is moving fast. Tesla already began transforming the warehouse in March 2025. Production will kick off by late 2025 or early 2026, just in time for the Tesla Model 2 rollout. Tesla prepped the site in March 2025 by clearing out freight equipment and removing more than 200 doors to make space for new factory upgrades. Building and electrical permits were secured quickly between March and April. From April to July, Tesla reinforced floors and installed semi-automated production lines, and major power upgrades happened at the same time. And those power upgrades? They're huge! CenterPoint Energy started ramping up the grid and installed temporary generators to make sure Tesla has the energy it needs. Equipment installation and software testing are scheduled from July to September, aiming for trial production by late summer 2025. Full-scale output is expected by the fourth quarter of 2025 or early 2026, just as the Model 2 hits the streets. Sure, there are a few risks like delays to power upgrades, freight clearance, and permits, but Tesla's tight project management looks like it will keep this on track. This single megafactory could produce up to 40 gigawatt-hours of battery storage every year. That's enough to power 600,000 American homes for a whole day. Plus, this project will add 1,500 new jobs to the area, a huge boost for Brookshire's economy. Do you live near Texas? What would it mean to have that kind of innovation right in your backyard? Let me know. And why did Tesla choose this spot? Being just a short drive away from Gigafactory, Texas, means quicker deliveries of components and smoother coordination. Texas also has a deregulated energy market, which lets Tesla innovate faster and even sell power directly to customers without going through utility companies. Energy storage is booming. In 2024 alone, the U.S. deployed 14.7 gigawatt-hours of energy storage, up 6% from the year before. Utilities need backup power for extreme weather, solar farms want to store clean energy, and EV owners need more reliable charging as millions of new EVs hit the roads. And Tesla's Megapacks? They lead the industry. Every Tesla Megapack holds up to 3.9 megawatt-hours of energy in a single unit, using 40% less space than traditional setups and cutting installation costs by up to 30%. Tesla also integrates hardware and software to slash long-term maintenance expenses by over 20%, making Tesla's battery storage the most cost-effective option on the market. And Tesla's energy software? It can automatically buy and sell electricity at the most profitable times, with its smart auto bidder system like a built-in energy trader working 24/7. Tesla is even creating full energy ecosystems at its supercharger, combining solar panels, mega packs, and fast chargers into one seamless system. That means Tesla's stations can keep running even if the grid goes down and help customers save money by charging at off-peak hours. That also means cheaper, more independent charging for Model 2 drivers wherever they are. What do you look for most in an EV? A lower price, more reliable charging, or a car that's made in America? Let me know with 1, 2, or 3 in the comments. And Tesla's plan goes far beyond Texas. They're building a global energy supergrid powered by 3 major megafactories around the world. First is this new factory in Brookshire, Texas, which will cover North and South America. Then there's Shanghai, already cranking out megapacks at full scale to serve Asia and Europe. And next is Cali in Western Australia, which will focus on remanufacturing and regional support across Oceania. Together, these 3 factories could produce 120 gigawatt hours annually, enough to power 1.8 million US homes for a full day. Why is that so important? Because megapacks generate serious revenue, up to $50 to $70 million for a 100 megawatt hour installation. Tesla could earn margins as high as 25%, and those profits will help bring the Model 2's price way down. That's how Tesla can aim for an $11,000 base price, or as low as $10,190 with tax credits and incentives. In short, megapacks help pay for your car. And Tesla's making sure the tech flows both ways. Advanced AI-driven assembly lines, gigacasting machines, and lightweight materials that Tesla developed for energy products. They're going into the Model 2 as well, cutting assembly time and reducing the cost per car by up to $2,000. Tesla also switched to next-gen lithium iron phosphate battery cells for the Model 2, up to 40% cheaper to produce and more durable, lasting 3,000 full charge cycles or more. And Tesla is also launching new 4685 and 4690 cell formats that can charge 20% faster, stay cooler, and reduce thermal risk by up to 80%. The result? Longer lasting, safer batteries that can drive further and at a much lower price. So what's Tesla's secret weapon? It's energy storage. While competitors scramble to manage their battery supply chains, Tesla already has 3 megafactories, AI-driven assembly lines, and a serious cash cushion funded by its energy business. That's what lets Tesla aim for a $10,000 EV while still making a profit. And here's the key point. The Model 2 needs ultra-low battery costs to hit that aggressive price. Batteries make up 30 to 40% of an EV's cost. Tesla knows this, which is why they're leveraging megapack battery production to lock in cheap lithium iron phosphate cells at huge volumes. That lowers battery prices and slashes shipping and logistics by making the cells right next to the car factory in Texas. Do you believe Tesla's new megafactory in Texas is the real reason the Model 2 can sell so cheap? Drop Model 2 in the comments if you do. And here's the big reveal. Tesla is aiming for 1.5 million Model 2 units per year by 2027. That would make the Model 2 one of the most produced EVs in history. And all those savings add up. Tesla can trim $3,500 to $4,000 per car just by making batteries and cars close together. That's going to make the Model 2 super affordable without compromising on quality or tech, and it'll put serious pressure on rivals like BYD, Hyundai, and GM. Tesla will redefine what a $10,000 EV can do and force everyone else to catch up. And that's why Tesla's new Texas Megafactory is truly the launchpad for its affordable EV future. Energy storage, battery production, and car manufacturing under one roof mean lower costs, faster ramp-up, and the most competitive EV Tesla's ever built. Will this bold move give us the true people's EV we've all been waiting for? Let me know what you think in the comments. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe to help us hit 1,000 subscribers, and tap that bell so you don't miss what we cover next. Coming up, we'll dive into the leaked Model 2 specs, real-world range, and some surprising dashboard upgrades you'll want to see.